be showing us exactly where the winter storm is in just a moment.
First, we want to show you just how close to the valley the snow has been falling. Kevin Kennedy kicks off our live team coverage from Wickenburg. And Kevin, for quite some time there, drivers were facing closures on US 93 on the way to Las Vegas because of all the snow. But luckily now, that's been reopened.
Yeah, that's the good news, Trev. Live shots from Wickenburg rarely involve snow. But look around here today. Wow, it really is a winter wonderland. A few people still out here enjoying the snow. Now, to be fair, a lot of it is melted. But this town saw about 2 inches starting around 9 o'clock this morning. Now, if you're wondering when the last significant snowfall like this was in Wickenburg, well, we checked with the Chamber of Commerce. You have to go back to 1995 for a dusting like this today. The snowfall certainly made for a great New Year's Eve present for kids. It was a chance to build snowmen, or at least try to build the snowman, have a rare snowball fight, and just play in this winter weather. For many, it was their first taste of the winter stuff. In fact, we found several people who drove all the way up from the valley to see and spend the day playing in the snow.
Oh, it's awesome. It's wonderful to have snow out here. I mean, we never get snow out in the valley, so it's nice to have the relaxing weather. Awesome.
I always want to see snow, and it's so much fun. Amazing. I really haven't seen snow in my entire life.
And now, for all the beauty of people living up here in Arizona, you think